Welcome back, everyone, to part 5 and last part. Let's start by installing Inno Setup from this website. You have the download links in here. I already have it installed. Not going to go through the installation, but it's super simple. And once you have it, let's create a folder named content and drag the embedded Python and the Django project to content. That's good. Now it's a matter of creating the installer with Inno Setup. So let's open Inno Setup, compiler, create a new script file using the script wizard. Next, choose a name. Next. In here, we need to select the launcher and in here add the content folder. Say yes that we want to include all the subfolders. Next. There are many options. I'm not gonna go on detail in all of them. You can choose the languages, custom setup icon file. I'm gonna use the same logo. Next, finish. Now, before we finish, I'm gonna say no because there's still one last thing I want to add in setup, which is the uninstallation icon. So whenever you want to uninstall this, the logo will show on the uninstallation. Let me show you. Add or remove programs. I'm basically talking about these logos. So it doesn't show the default Windows, which is something like this. Anyway, it's super simple. It's just uninstall display icon. Let's make it equal to app, inverted slash, and then launcher.x. I'm just going to compile it. Yeah, it's actually making me have to save. Gonna go with Jamie DC Silva. And let's wait now for Alright, once it's finished, we should have the installation file inside the output folder. I'm actually not going to save this. Gonna close it and let's try to install it. Yes. Create a desktop shortcut. Install. Launch Jamie DC Silva. We finish just like we started. And there you go. I hope you like this series. Subscribe, say hello, and let me know if there's some topic that you are curious about. I've been making videos about multiple topics, so want to thank you for your presence and for all the feedback. And yes, thank you so much. I hope you have a good day. Bye.